Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Swift with a phone. First, let's prepare our development environment. You'll need Xcode installed on your Mac, ensuring it's the latest stable version. Next, set up your physical phone for development by enabling developer mode and trusting your computer. This foundational step is crucial for deploying and debugging your Swift applications directly on a device, allowing for real-world testing and interaction. For short-range, low-power connections, Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE is an excellent choice. You'll use Apple's core Bluetooth framework to manage connections. This involves scanning for nearby peripheral devices, establishing a connection, and then reading or writing data to their characteristics. Data packets are typically small, often limited to 20 bytes per transmission, making it ideal for sensor data or simple commands. When you need to transfer larger amounts of data or connect over longer distances, Wi-Fi communication is your go-to. Swift's URL session framework is perfect for making network requests, allowing your app to interact with web services or local servers. You'll typically establish a client-server model, sending and receiving data often formatted as JSON. This method provides robust and high-speed data exchange, essential for many modern applications. For the most reliable and high-speed data transfer, especially with custom hardware, a wired USB connection can be invaluable. Apple's Made for iPhone, or MFI, program provides the framework for creating accessories that connect directly to a phone. While this often involves specific hardware and certification, it offers unparalleled speed and stability. For simpler cases, some third-party frameworks can help manage basic wired data transfer, offering a direct and robust link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.